Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about what to do when someone realizes that I've trained you as a negotiator, you're good at it, and they think you're going to beat them. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I spoke to a motivated seller earlier who, before calling me, had looked me up. Now, with a name like Zeeb, it's pretty easy to look me up. Think about it, right? If your name was Smith or Jones, you'd have a lot more anonymity, but Zeeb, I don't. And he found my website where I'm teaching a lot about negotiation, how to negotiate, and about being a great negotiator. So he said to me, he framed his whole thing with, all right, now I know you're a great negotiator, so I'm going to be careful of you. Now, what happens when someone says that to you? What if they say to you, maybe not that your name is unique, but and that you train negotiators? Well, what if they say, I bet you're a good negotiator, or you follow all those courses on TV, or, oh, well, you've been to classes, you know what you're doing, so how is it that you are going to overcome that? What if you don't overcome it? What if you just accept it? I said, well, you've got me. Absolutely. Well, let's see how you do. And then you want to make sure you compliment the person next to you on how good of skills they are, and keep reminding them what a good deal they got from you. So that's kind of what I've already started at with this motivated seller. And as we're doing the initial part of the negotiation, getting the ball rolling in this negotiation, I keep reminding him of things. So I'll say, look, what is it that you want? I'm going to spend more time pinpointing his problem. And then as I work on packaging up a solution, as long as that solution works for him and it's something that would solve all his problems and he wants to say yes to it, there's not going to be any resentment that I'm a trained negotiator and that I know what I'm doing. So what I've done at the beginning is kind of, it's a negotiation technique, is to call it out, put it on the table, and then push it aside. So I'm saying, yeah, absolutely, that's me. Yep, you got me. I'm a great negotiator. Let's see how you do, which is a little bit of a subtle challenge. And a lot of people rise to that kind of challenge, that you're saying, okay, you know who I am, but watch out. I know that you're coming after me and you've got me. So in many ways, just call that out and then table it and move it aside. That's how I'm playing it in this negotiation, and it's going well so far. Shh, don't tell him. For Traction Real Estate Mentors, it's Tom Zeeb from Providence, Rhode Island, signing off.